Well, these look fun. And my nightmare, that's Pikachu. Oh my god. That's a sad Pikachu. Iconic. There's 2 McDonald's. And this is the dessert bar. Oh my god. Under Armour sucks. You can do a pause. That's comedic timing. Under Armour sucks. So Ambience Mall is located in Gurgaon. To come here is worth the effort because in addition to seeing the mall, you also get to see all the cool people at the mall, and that's pretty good. And you get to see Gurgaon itself, which is a really nice city. It's a city next to Delhi. It's like the high-tech Delhi. So don't think of it as just a different place. It's Delhi, but in the high-tech. And it shows India's future. India's future is amazing. If they can make malls like this, if they can keep making malls like this, then you have got yourself an amazing future. Unless you get run over by the train. Imagine you live your whole life and then you get hit by a train in a shopping mall. Okay, it's about to happen. I'm surrounded. They even got a fancy ATM. They got the Olympics. They got the Olympics here. They got skull candy. Yeah, Starbucks. One of America's only brands that's left internationally. I think Cafe Coffee Day cannot beat Starbucks now that its owner is gone. So I'll be really interested to see what the next coffee chain that will come out of India, what that will look like. Because India's got great coffee, so there's no reason why it should have great coffee chains. That's freaking awesome. Here's a BMW. A BMW, oh my god. That's such a nice car. If someone carjacks this, it's gonna be a disaster. Calvin Klein jeans. Now that's a great advertisement. Calvin Klein is really good at advertising. Oh man. Bed Bath and Beyond. It smells so good. This store is amazing. Gotta go for gelato. Look at this awesome gelato. These are the real flavors. This food court is so busy right now. They have like all these different kinds of restaurants, Western, Indian, Asian. It's all here. So, Ambience Mall. Chicago pizza. Chicago pizza. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yes, sir. And they have a Carl Jr. Is there any meat? No beef. I'm so shocked. They actually have a Carl's Jr. in India. That's amazing. But the most popular restaurant of all, the one that can never be challenged, is McDonald's. This is the biggest McDonald's I've seen in a shopping cart in a mall. Foreigners love McDonald's. That's like a fact of life. Foreigners plus McDonald's. If you want to make a foreigner happy, if you have a guest in India, take them to McDonald's. They're gonna love that. The first place that they should go after arriving in India is McDonald's. Fun city. Looks like a lot of fun. I have to say that Ambience Mall has a lot of ambience, so I really think that it's properly named. The mall is properly named. What is Haldreims? Haldreims is this is like amazing. So this is your Indian food. Holy moly. That is so much food. So Haldreims is where you go for your Indian food. Or pasta.